Sex.
I'm gonna edit that part out. End that part. I'm just gonna like, do the video like this. Hi guys.
This is the ring. Hi.
Hey guys.
We're here again after a long hiatus. Is that how you say it? Or
yes.
It's hiatus.
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 Don't hate us because we were on hiatus.
We're really funny when it's late at night.
Oh my god. It's actually, this is the latest we made a video before.
Yes, I think so.
I think we should do a current events news kind of thing. I have some things to say.
Okay.
So, the Holland 8th floor north side bathroom comic strips on the bathroom stalls have not been updated this week, and it's very disappointing because when I like to go in there and pee and take a shit, I like for the comics to be changed. And it's true. I
would appreciate that too. I would appreciate my floor having comics. We don't have comics.
It's a really good thing they haven't been updated, and I've read them all, like the fronts and the backs. Like I rip them off the little wall, and then I read them once I'm done with them. Also, 4th floor. Would you like to talk about 4th floor?
Oh yeah. So when we got back tonight from doing nothing, there were police officers, and they went on the 4th floor, and there was also this random guy in our elevator.
Dulcie and I, we were in the elevator with the random guy. We saw the police officers go in, so then we went up to Dulcie's floor, put our stuff down, and walked down to the 4th floor, and we checked it out.
We creeped.
We didn't really get any information.
Anyways, on to our...
it for current events.
Yeah.
The life of a Holland dorm resident.
It's crazy every single day.
Oh, talents.
Oh, yes. Weird talents.
Dulcie, what's your weird talent? I have a weird talent.
I know, Emily has a more...
I have a weird
obvious one.
I want to know Dulcie's
I have to
first.
think.
She plays the ukulele. That's not
I
really
do.
that weird.
It's under there. Take it out.
I don't play the ukulele.
Baby.
I didn't make noise.
Oh, try again. There you go.
My weird talent is belching.
She's so good.
So good. My name is Emily Burst, and I'm going to belch for you today. Thank you. It's mine. Why don't you show off yours?
I don't know what mine is. I have to think. My thumb can go like that. Okay. Oh god.
Sorry. Keep going. Okay. It's like, you know how like when there's an earthquake? I'm now going to compare my burps to earthquakes. It's like when there's an earthquake, and you have the earthquake, right? Mm-hmm. And there's an aftershock.
Like what happened in Japan.
Like what happened in Japan. What are your weird talents?
Yes.
We would like to know. Post
make
them
a response video. Below. So we can see all our fans.
All 3 of them.
All 3 of them.
We want more.
Okay, so our next topic is based on things that girls can do that guys can't, and things that guys can do that girls can't, that are like acceptable. Okay.
1. Girls can paint their nails.
Yes.
Dye their hair blonde. Girls can dye their hair blonde and not really be judged. But if a guy dyes his hair blonde, it means he wants to be in a boy band. And he's stuck in the 90s.
Yeah. If they bleach their hair, it's like, ooh.
Oh. Especially when they bleach it and there's like the brown roots.
Oh, yeah, I know.
And they spike it.
Oh, God.
Guys can pick their toenails.
Yes. And it's acceptable. Kind of.
Or kind of, yeah.
More acceptable if guys do it than girls.
This segment is Emily dancing inappropriately to a ukulele. Played by Dulcia.
I wish I could like provide a beat or something. I feel like boom, 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 boom.
That's like. Getting down. I'm white.
She is very white.
Very white. Emily dancing old school style to a ukulele. Played by Dulcia.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is Dulcie and Emily signing out.
Hasta la vista, baby. Follow us.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
$2. Oodles of toodles. Sex.